here with the criteria of the similarity. In the previous videos, I told you about the basic concepts on the triangle and I told you about BPT and its converse. I told you many questions based on BPT also. Now in this video, I'll tell you about the criteria for the similarity of the triangles. I told you one thing in the previous video, that two triangles are similar if their shape is same. I told you this thing now. If their shape is same, then two triangles or two figures are said to be similar. Suppose I am saying that triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar, it means their shape is same. If their shape is same, I am saying triangle ABC is similar. This is the sign of the similarity. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Like we are having this sign for the congruency and this sign we are having for similarity. Okay. Now triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. It means their shape is same. When their shape is same, it means its corresponding sides are in proportion. All the sides, corresponding sides are in proportion. BC upon QR equals to AC upon PR. Its corresponding sides are in proportion and moreover, its angles are also equal. And angle A equals to angle P, angle B equals to angle Q, angle C equals to angle R. It means all its sides are in proportion and its angles are equal. If we want to prove that these two triangles are similar, then we have to prove this much condition. It will become quite difficult for us to prove all these conditions. Therefore, we are having similarity criteria for proving the triangles similar. So now today in this video, I'll discuss those similarity criteria for the similarity of the triangle. Series of the similarity criteria, the first criteria is AA similarity criteria. What do you mean by the word AA similarity criteria? Matlab angle similarity criteria. Suppose we are having two triangles ABC and triangle PQR. We are having two triangles ABC and triangle PQR. If their corresponding angles are equal, angle A equals to angle P, angle B equals to angle Q, then triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay? This criteria is also known as AAA, triple A similarity criteria. Why? Because if its two angles are equal, two corresponding angles are equal, then by default you can say third angle is also equal, because the sum of the angles is 180 degree. So third angle is also equal, you can say. So this criteria is known as triple A similarity criteria also. And moreover, there is one more thing, students. ABC, if ABC is similar to PQR, it means there is a correspondence between A and P. Suppose you want to write angle A is equals to angle P. Angle B is equals to angle Q. Only one vertex is left, that is C and R. Therefore, third is also equal. So you will write names also like this. Okay, there is a correspondence between their names also. Clear, students? So the first criteria for the similarity is AA similarity criteria. Now the next criteria is SSS similarity criteria. What we have to do in this criteria? ABC and PQR. Suppose we are having two triangles and their corresponding sides are in proportion. AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR and AC upon PR. their corresponding sides are in proportion, it means their ratios are equal, then the triangles are said to be similar. Okay, then triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Then triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR if their corresponding sides are in proportion. Then the triangles are said to be similar. Okay. Now the next criteria for the similarity is SAS similarity criteria. What do you mean by the word SAS similarity criteria? That is side, angle, side. What do you mean by the word side, angle, side? If the corresponding two sides of a triangle are in proportion and the angle between these two sides are equal. Angle should be between these two sides which are in proportion. Angle should be between those two sides. Then triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Suppose students, we are having these two triangles. These two sides are in proportion and this angle is equal. Instead of this angle, we are having this angle equal. Then the triangles are not similar because the angle should be between these two sides which are in proportion. Then only the triangles are similar. Okay, students? So angle should be between these two sides which are proportional to each other. Clear? Okay. Now in this series we are having several questions. The first question is diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersects each other at the point O. Using a similarity criteria for two triangles, show that OA upon OC equals to OB upon OD. Now what you have to do in this question, diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD. Suppose we are having a trapezium ABCD. Diagonals AC and BD intersects each other at the point O. Using a similarity criteria for two triangles, show that OA upon OC equals to OB upon OD. How will you solve it? Because it is a trapezium, its two sides are parallel, AB is parallel to DC. Therefore, angle 1 equals to angle 2 and these two angles are vertically opposite angles. So, how will we prove it? In triangle AOB and triangle COD. In triangle AOB and triangle COD. ठीक है बच्चों? Angle 1 equals to angle 2. Why angle 1 is equals to angle 2? Because AB is parallel to DC. And these are alternate interior angles. AB is parallel to DC and these are alternate interior angles. Angle 3 equals to angle 4, vertically opposite angles. Clear? Therefore, triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. ध्यान से देखो, एंगल A हमारा किसके इक्वल है? C के. तो A के साथ कौन जाएगा? C. O कॉमन है. यहां से अगर देखोगे B और D इक्वल जाएंगे. ठीक है. अब जो ट्रायंगल सिमिलर होते हैं, कौन सी सिमिलरिटी लगी? पहले लिखो यहाँ पर. Whichever triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in proportion. जो ट्रायंगल सिमिलर होते हैं उनकी कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स प्रोपोर्शन में होती हैं और उनके एंगल्स इक्वल होते हैं. The triangles which are similar to each other, their corresponding sides are in a proportion and their corresponding angles are equal. Okay, students? So, AO upon CO, BO upon DO, AB upon CD. But we need only this much. Okay, we can write it like this: OA upon OC equals to OB upon OD. Corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. So, you got this question, students? I hope. In this series, our next question is: in the given figure, QR upon QS equals to QT upon QR and angle 1 equals to angle 2, show that triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. But in this question, it is given to you angle 1 equals to angle 2. It means we have to use this criteria also. How will we prove it? In triangle PQR, it is given to you angle 1 equals to angle 2. That is given. When two angles are equal in a triangle, their opposite sides are also equal. The side opposite to angle 1 is PR and the side opposite to angle 2 is PQ. Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Therefore, PR equals to PQ. Suppose it is your equation 1. PR equals to PQ. That is your equation 1. Now what we have to do in this question? It is given to you QR upon QS equals to QT upon PR. Okay? Can we write in place of PR, can we write PQ? Because QR upon QS equals to QT upon PR. So in place of PR, we can write PQ. Okay. Now if we want to prove triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR, it means I want PQ upon TQ, or we can write TQ upon PQ and QR upon QS. This is given to you. TQ upon PQ. Okay, QR upon QS. And moreover, angle Q is common. So therefore, you can apply SAS similarity in it. In triangle TQR and triangle PQS. Okay, students, TQR QT upon PQ equals to QR upon QS, proved above. And now angle Q is common. Therefore, triangle TQR is similar to triangle PQS. By which similarity? Side, angle, side. By SAS similarity. Got it, students? I hope all of you will get it. Now our next question is, in the given figure, if triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD, show that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Certain things we can learn from our question also. Like this, ADE we want to prove is similar to triangle ABC. It means we have to prove AD upon AB equals to AE upon AC. This thing we have to prove. We know that because triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. We know this thing that triangle ABA is congruent to triangle ACD. Therefore, we are having AB equals to AC by CPCT. ठीक है, AB और AC कैसे होंगे? इक्वल होंगे बाय CPCT. And moreover, we want AD upon, क्या चाहिए हमें इसमें? AD upon AB and AE upon AC. We need this thing ना. हमारे पास क्या है? AB और AC इक्वल है. हमें और क्या चाहिए अभी? AE और AD और चाहिए. तो इट मीन्स हमारे पास ये क्या है? ABE और ACD कॉन्ग्रुएंट है. तो क्या होगा हमारे पास? AE इक्वल्स टू AD by CPCT. But one more thing you have to keep in your mind. It is AE equals to AD. AE और AD इक्वल है, लेकिन हमें क्या चाहिए? हमें चाहिए AD अपॉन AB. यानी कि हम क्या इसे हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं? AD equals to AE. Can we write it like this? Yes, we can write it like this. Equation 2 divided by equation 1. Equation 2 को divide करो equation 1 से. It will be AD upon AB equals to AE upon AC. Got it? AD upon AB equals to AE upon AC. Now come to this triangle. In triangle ADE and triangle ABC. Now you can easily prove that these two triangles are similar. AD upon AB equals to AE upon AC. Proved above. And moreover, angle A equals to angle A common. Therefore, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. By which similarity? Side, angle, side. By SAS similarity. Clear, students? I hope all of you got this question also. Okay, now the next question is, in the given figure, altitudes A, AD and CE of triangle ABC intersects each other at the point P. Show that triangle AEP is similar to the triangle CDP. आपको AEP को और CDP को similar prove करना है. How will you prove it that AEP is similar to triangle CDP? So AEP angle 1. It is an altitude. Therefore, angle 1 equals to angle 2, each 90 degree. Angle 3 equals to angle 4, vertically opposite angles. So, by AA similarity, you can prove that these two triangles are similar. Okay, students? In triangle AEP and triangle CDP, it was a very simple question. Angle 1 equals to angle 2, each 90 degree. Why it is 90 degree? Because AD and CE are the altitudes given to you. Angle 3 equals to angle 4, vertically opposite angles. Therefore, triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP by AA similarity. Is it clear now? Okay. Now the next question is, E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD and BE intersects CD at F. Show that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. It is a parallelogram ABCD. Parallelogram में opposite sides are equal and parallel. Okay. E is a point on the side AB produced of a parallelogram ABCD. Side AB. When we produce side AB, E is a point on it. And BE intersects CD at F. Where it intersects, it is the point F. You have to prove triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. How will you prove? Because ABCD is a parallelogram, so its opposite angles are equal. Okay, angle A equals to angle C, and because it is a parallelogram and these two lines are parallel, therefore angle 1 equals to angle 2. Alternate interior angles are equal. So by AA similarity, both the triangles are similar to each other. In triangle ABE and triangle CFB, angle A equals to angle C, opposite angles of a parallelogram. Angle A equals to angle C, opposite angles of a parallelogram, and angle 1 equals to angle 2, alternate interior angles are equal. Therefore, triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. ABE is similar to triangle CFB by AA similarity. Clear, students? Now our next question is, CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of angle ACB and angle EGF such that D and H lie on sides AB and FE of triangle ABC and triangle EFG respectively. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, show that CD upon GH equals to AC upon FG. And triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE and triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. So first of all, we have to draw its figure. In this, we are having two triangles ABC and triangle EFG, A, B, C. In the same order, we have to take E, F, G. We have taken E, F, G. Now, CD and GH are the bisectors of angle ACB. Bisector, it divides it into two equal parts, and EGF. Are the bisectors of angle ACB and EGF. Now we have to prove that triangle. It is also given triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. आपको प्रूव करना है, you have to prove CD upon GH equals to AC upon FG. कैसे पता करते हैं? देखो ऊपर से देखो, ACD और FGH आपको ट्राइंगल सिमिलर करने हैं. कौन कौन से? ACD और EFG. Okay. You have to prove CD upon GH equals to AC देखो आपको ट्राइंगल सिमिलर गिवन है ABC और FEG, ABC और FEG, तो आपको उसी ऑर्डर में अपने ट्राइंगल्स लेने पड़ेंगे। ABC, FEG, I had taken EFG, so it was creating problem। अब देखो ACD और FGH, अब देखो ACD और FGH कैसे आ रहे हैं, हमारे पास इक्वल आ रहे हैं, ठीक है। अगर आपने इनका ऑर्डर अलग ले लिया, जैसे यहाँ पर आपका है ABC और FEG, तो A जहां आपने A लिया है वहीं आपको F लेना है। Wherever you have taken A, there also you have to take F. Where you have taken B, there you have to take E. And like this, where you have taken C, you have to at the same position you have to take G. अगर आपने यहाँ E ले लिया, यहाँ F ले लिया, your question will be wrong. You are not able to prove it. Clear? अब देखो, यहाँ से ऊपर से देखो ACD और FGH आपको सिमिलर प्रूव करने हैं। कैसे प्रूव करेंगे आप? Because triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. जब दोनों ट्राइंगल सिमिलर है बेटा, तो एंगल C और एंगल G कैसे होंगे? इक्वल होंगे। Corresponding angles of similar triangles. Corresponding angles of similar triangles. एंगल C और एंगल G कैसे आपके पास? इक्वल है। अब देखो आपके पास, can you write it? Half of angle C equals to half of angle G. Half of angle C, therefore angle 1 equals to angle 3, angle 2 equals to angle 4. Here you must mention the reason. CD and GH are the bisectors. Are the bisectors of angle ACB and angle FG. ACB and angle EGF. These are the bisectors of these two angles. Now you can prove. अच्छा, ये एंगल C और एंगल G तो इक्वल होंगे ही, इसके अलावा आपके एंगल A और एंगल F भी इक्वल होंगे। क्यों? कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स ऑफ सिमिलर ट्राइंगल्स। अब देखो, एन ट्राइंगल A, इधर से F लो, ओके, आपका कौन सा एंगल इक्वल जा रहा है? 1 के साथ 3 जा रहा है, तो इधर से C लो, इधर से G लो। थर्ड कौन सा बचा है? D, इधर से FGH। ACD एंड ट्राइंगल FGH। ACD में आपके पास बेटा क्या है? एंगल A इक्वल्स टू एंगल F, प्रूव्ड अबव। एंड मोरओवर यू आर हैविंग एंगल 1 इक्वल्स टू एंगल 3, it is also proved above. Therefore triangle ACD is similar to triangle FGH by AA similarity. It will be AC upon FG equals to CD upon GH equals to AD upon FH, but we need only CD upon GH equals to AC upon FG. ठीक है? Just one more thing you must keep in your mind. In this third part, DCA is similar to triangle HGF. You can write it same like this also. D की correspondence किसके साथ है? H के साथ है। A की F के साथ है, C की G के साथ है। Same thing you had proved over here. Okay. Now the next part is triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. How will you prove? दोनों triangles ACB और आपका triangle FEG similar है। आपके ABC और ये दोनों ट्राइंगल सिमिलर है FEG, तो इसका एंगल B और इसका एंगल E कैसे होंगे? इक्वल होंगे। corresponding angles of similar triangles. Clear? And angle 2 equals to angle 4 proved above. Therefore, triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGF by AA similarity. Clear? I hope all of you got this question. It's a good question. Now let us discuss the very important question of this exercise, that is sides AB and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ and PR and median PM of another triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. आपको प्रूव करना है ट्राइंगल ABC और ट्राइंगल PQR कैसे हैं, सिमिलर है. हाउ विल यू प्रूव इट इन दैट केस? देखो बेटे, AB अपॉन AC गिवन है आपको, इसमें आपको AB अपॉन PQ गिवन है और आपको AC अपॉन PR गिवन है. AB अपॉन PQ और AC अपॉन PR गिवन है, दो चीजें गिवन है आपको. अब जब ये दोनों चीजें गिवन है तो इनके बीच का अगर आपको एंगल पता होगा तभी आप ABC और PQR को सिमिलर कर पाओगे. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो लेट अस डू कंस्ट्रक्शन. इन इट draw DH equals to AD and join CH and join CH. Draw MN equals to PM and join Rn. Okay. Now in the proof, what you have to do, we will prove that these two triangles are congruent. We can prove that these two triangles are congruent. How will we prove? ये triangle और ये triangle दोनों congruent prove करो. In triangle ABD and triangle HCD, we know that AD equals to DH by construction. AD equals to DH by construction, and moreover BD equals to DC. BD और DC क्यों इक्वल है? Because AD is the median. AD is the median. And moreover, angle 5 equals to angle 6. Vertically opposite angles. Therefore, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle HCD by which congruency? Side, angle, side. By SAS congruency. Clear students? Therefore, AB equals to CH by CP, CP. Like this, you can prove that these two triangles are also congruent. In triangle PQM and triangle NRM, you can prove that these two triangles are also congruent. It is PM equals to MN by construction. Now in triangle PQM and triangle NRM. We are having PM equals to MN and angle 7 equals to angle 8. Vertically opposite angles. And QM equals to MR. Why? Because PM is the median. Therefore, triangle PQM is congruent to triangle NRM. PQM is congruent to triangle NRM. Therefore, PQ equals to NR by CP CT. Suppose it is your equation 2 and it was your equation 1. It was your equation 1. It is given to us AB upon PQ equals to AC upon PR equals to AD upon PM. It is given in our question. So in place of PQ, we can write NR, and in place of AB, we can write CH. AD upon PM. Can we multiply AD by 2 and PM by 2? It will be CH upon, from 1 and 2 you can write CH upon NR equals to AC upon PR. Twice of AD is equals to AH. Twice of PM equals to PM. देखो CH upon NR, AC upon PR, AH upon PN. It means the triangle ACH is similar to triangle PNR by SSS similarity. These two triangles are similar. जब ये दोनों triangles similar हैं बेटे, तो angle 2 equals to angle 4 by corresponding angles of similar triangles. Angle 2 equals to angle 4. Similarly, suppose it is your equation 3. Similarly, angle 1 equals to, you can prove like this also, angle 1 equals to angle 3. It is your equation 4, adding 3 and 4. Angle 2 plus angle 1 equals to angle 3 plus angle 4. Angle 2 plus 1 is angle BAC equals to angle QPR equals to angle QPR. Now you can easily prove that these two triangles ABC and PQR are similar in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. It is given AB upon PQ equals to AC upon PR. It is given to you. And just now you had proved angle BAC equals to angle QPR, proved above. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by SAS similarity. Clear, students? I hope you got this question very nicely. A vertical pole of length 6 meter casts a shadow 4 meter long on the ground, and at the same time a tar casts a shadow 28 meter long. Find the height of the tar. देखो बेटे कैसे करोगे question? It is a vertical pole of length 6 meter casts a shadow 4 meter. It is its shadow which is 4 meter long on the ground. At the same time a tar casts a shadow. it is a tower, casts a shadow 28 meter long. It is 28 meter long. Find the height of the tower. आपको height of the tower बतानी है. Can you prove that these two triangles are similar? देखो, these two angles are of 90 degree and inclination of the sun at the same time is same. So these two angles are also same. Therefore, these two triangles are similar. When these two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in a proportion. Angle 3 equals to angle 4, each 90 degree. Angle 1 equals to angle 2. Inclination of sun at the same time is same. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF by AA similarity. ठीक है, now it is AB upon DE equals to BC upon EF. Corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. ठीक है बच्चों, AB हमें पता है that is 6, DE we want to find, BC it is 4 meter, it is 28. So now we can easily find out DE. 6 into 28 equals to 4 into DE. 6 into 28 upon 4 equals to DE. The value of DE is 42 meter. Therefore, the value of DE is 42 meter. Therefore, height of tower is 42 meter. Thank you, students. Thank you very much. In the next video, I'll explain area theorem and its question. Okay, thank you.